Welcome back to a new video here in Punta Cana. All you can see, like promised, we are on our way to a new adventure. We are going to look for gold today, gold washing at the river, and I especially brought my gold searching dogs. And Andreas, he already has seen a lot of videos how to find gold. So we're driving to Mina, that's shortly before Meaches, and well, we'll let you know when we get there. Our friend Aaron from Canada once ordered a gold mining kit, a basic one, and we still have it in our buggy garage, so I got the kit and off we went. We're taking the road from Bávaro in direction of Meaches or Sabana de Lama if you want to go there. It's very easy here, we don't have too many roads, so this is the one we already took a couple of times. If you're watching my videos, you know this road already. We are driving direction of Meaches. We had different weather. It was sunny when we were leaving, and then it rained, then it was just cloudy, and this is what we have here in the Caribbean very often. Every couple kilometers the weather can be very different. So everybody that is concerned that it says rain in the forecast all the time, it is raining, but not always all over the place. It took us less than an hour to come here to La Mina de Oro. Like the other little villages, La Mina has these beautiful colored signs. Yeah, we are driving through La Mina, and we just asked where it's best to stop at the river to find gold, and they said go and find the bridge, and after the bridge you just turn and park your car, and that's already a good spot. So let's see, I think I see the bridge already over there, and then we just need to find a way down. So that's all we need to get rich, to find gold here in the river in La Mina. Let's go and find gold. You can see all the clouds hanging between the mountains there. It was a very cloudy day, and later on the rain came, but by then we didn't know that. It's always beautiful, drive their direction Meaches, you always see the mountains and it's just stunning. Here I show you on Google Earth where we are. There you can see Meaches to the left, and then where we were coming from, Punta Cana to the right. As I said, approximately 1 hour driving. And who would have thought, I read in Latina press that gold is the most exported product here from the Dominican Republic. So if you thought it may have been rum or sugarcane, you were wrong, like I was. Let me show you how it's done, how you can wash the gold out of the river. So this kit has a different size of bowls. I have a big bowl here and a big filter where I can take out not only the sand and the little stones, but also big stones. In the big stones as well, in the corners and edges, the gold, the tiny gold, likes to stick. So that's why you first wash as well the big stones, hoping that the gold that is more heavy goes to the ground. Then you take out the big stones and keep washing and washing and washing and washing. You keep washing and clearing, put fresh water. I don't know if you can see it, but these bowls have like roofs on the side. So everything that's heavier cannot be washed out so easily, so that the gold would actually stick there. The biggest mines, the concession for these mines, are 1 hour away from Santo Domingo to the north. It's in Pueblo Viejo. And have a look at this production. I knew that we have these gold mines here, but before checking, I never knew how big they are and how much gold they actually find and export. There are a lot of other minerals that you can find here in the Dominican Republic and smaller mines all over the country. But look at this. It's huge. And they're making a lot of money. I admire everyone who's doing this for a living. We did not find any gold, but yes, after 10 minutes of standing there in the river, my back hurt already a lot. So making this your job and living out of the gold you find like this, wow, this is not for me. Still a great day out in nature and a lot of fun for the dogs who were just walking around, running around, smelling and sniffing everywhere. So we're not rich, but we're happy. Okay, it's raining, we're running. Okay, let's go. So we decided to stop at Rancho Terra Nova, where you can rent these little houses here. If the water in the river is not too high, if not on this side, they have houses as well. And we stopped here on our way back for lunch. So I finished the video here. I hope you liked the video about our gold here in the Dominican Republic and how to find it. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, still have time to do so. Check out the playlist. There are already a lot of videos. And I say goodbye. And I see you in the next video here in the beautiful Dominican Republic.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue, la casa de la bachata. La, 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 la casa del merengue.